If Gachagua is trying to push himself too hard, others will refuse to support him. And when the opposition is divided, the incumbent wins. Upinzani ukigawanyika, President Ruto anaingia tamu ya pili bila stress. Gachagua is helping President Ruto by turning the election into a personality war instead of a governance referendum. If 2027 becomes President Ruto versus Rigathi Gachagua, Ruto will simply paint Gachagua as Peter. So, the more Gachagua dominates headlines with fights and insults, the more it changes the battlefield to one that benefits President Ruto. Anampatia uwanja na atacheza bila stress. But if he continues with reckless statements, tribal-style politics, early campaign pressure, and opposition division, he might end up being the biggest reason President Ruto survives 2027.